Hi guys, today I will show you a beautiful wall decoration. This and this. You can make layers of it, or you can choose a particular color or a two color sheet and you can do with that. Let's see the things we need for this. The things we need for this is a scale, pencil, a glue, scissors and tape. And you can choose any color sheet of your choice. There are many colored sheets. You can choose any color of your choice. So let's start on how to do this. So I have taken a green color sheet, and with this I have made points of 1 centimeters. Like this. They are equally parted 1 centimeters from here and here. And I can make straight lines with the help of a scale. And we have to make very light lines with the pencil. We just need to cut. That's why. So
how much is the distance between lines?
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
It's 1 centimeter. So now we will cut this.
Like this size.
Yeah, 1 centimeter is from here to here. It's 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. This is 2 centimeters. It's written also centimeters. So let's cut through the line. Just follow the pencil line and just cut. It's simple. So suppose I have cut this and the whole sheet. So I have already cut these lines. These are all 1 centimeters each, and are like bright colors. So I have chosen many colors like green, purple, and pink. So let's see what the next step.
How many of these we need?
As many as you want. You can decorate the whole room with this, or one layer. It's up to you.
Oh, so with one string it will be one O.
Yeah, with one string it will be one O.
Okay.
Great question. So on the tip of one, just put glue like this, and just fold and just press it like this, and it's done. You can take the next, just put it inside this, and
Can you show the circle one more time?
yeah, sure. Like we are, I have put it like this inside this ring, inside this circle. Then on one tip, any one tip, just put some glue and just paste it like this.
Okay.
So let's take purple. We can make patterns like pink, green, blue, or you can use two color sheets or three, or only one. It's up to you. So in one tip, just do like this, and another tip, just paste. It's really simple and it looks really very nice. Simple, just roll it like this, and you can decorate it horizontally or vertically. It's up to you. So just tip, and it's done. So you can make as many as you want, and it will look like this.
And this is how it looks?
Yes, this is the final thing, and if you want, we can do like this, and it's all done. So it will look like this. So you can make as many as you want, like this or that, or the whole thing like this. It's up to you. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe to my channel, like my VD videos, and subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel name is Rise Analytics. And subscribe to my son's channel. His channel name is Sadik's World. Thank you. Bye bye.